Chapter 8. Internet Services. In this chapter, you will learn about browsing internet, email, chatting, video conferencing, web feeds, what are blogs, cyber safety, new groups, e-governing. Internet is defined as a network of networks consisting of a large number of computers. People use the internet on a large scale, and it has become a vital part of each and every individual. The internet was initially developed by the US Department of Defense to connect only 4 computers that were situated at different places. In this chapter, we will study about the different services that are provided by the internet, like emails, chatting, video conferencing, etc. Browsing the internet. By using the internet, we can access any information that is stored anywhere, from anywhere, and at any time of the day. We can find information like research papers, novels, news, games, and everything else over the internet. The information that is found on the internet is generally stored as text, videos, and images. For finding information over the internet, we need to have special software known as web browsers. Search engine. For searching information over the internet, we need special software that can search information that is stored across several web servers. These software are known as search engines. When we enter the keywords of the information that is to be searched, the search engine finds the links of the pages on which the keywords are found. The most commonly used search engines are Google, Yahoo, Bing, and Lycos. Using a search engine. To use a search engine for finding information, follow the steps that are given below. In the address bar of your web browser, type the URL or the web address of the search engine. For example, www.google.com, and then press the enter key from the keyboard. In the search box of the search engine, type the keywords of the information that you are looking for and then click the search button. You will notice that a list appears on the browser containing links to the pages that have the keywords entered by you. To view the information, just click on the link and it will open up. How does a search engine work? For searching the keywords and the address of web pages containing the keywords entered by the user, search engines use software called web crawler or the spider. For building the indexes of the addresses, different software is used. The importance of creating indexes is that we can access the information quickly and easily. Do you know www.search.bigfoot.com and www.whowhere.com are the 2 websites that are commonly used for finding people over the internet. Electronic mail, email. The most common way for exchanging information over the internet is the email or the electronic mail. For sending and receiving emails, the user should have an email account. When you have registered for an email account, you will have a unique email address or email ID through which you can send and receive emails. Your email address would look something like 123ajay@yahoo.com. Here, 123ajay is your username and yahoo.com is the domain. The domain and the username are separated by a special symbol @. The advantage of using email over the traditional mail system are given below. Cost efficient. The cost for sending an email is negligible as compared to the cost of sending a letter using couriers. Speed. The speed of sending emails is very fast as emails can reach any part of the world in a fraction of a second. Eco-friendly. Emails do not require any use of paper. Therefore, by using emails, we save paper and stop cutting of trees. Do you know the traditional mail is nowadays referred to as snail mail? There are a number of websites that provide users with free email accounts. Some of them are www.gmail.com, www.yahoomail.com, www.outlook.com, www.ami.com. Steps for creating an email account. Enter the URL of the website on which you want to create your email account in the address bar of your browser. For example, www.gmail.com. Now click on the New Account option. A registration form, repeat, a registration form will open up. Now fill up the registration form and then click on Next Step. You will now have an email address with a password. Using this username and password, you can access your email account and check the emails that you have received, and you can also send new emails. Basic features of an email account. All the email accounts provide users with the following basic features. Inbox. In the inbox folder, you can check all the emails that you have received. The inbox has a list of all the emails that have been sent to you. You just have to click on the mail to open it. Compose mail. Using the Compose mail option, you can send new emails to different email addresses. You can also attach files like Word documents, music files, and many other kinds of files. Replying to an email. Once you have finished reading the email, you can reply back to the sender. The reply that you have sent will also contain the message that you have received. Forwarding an email. Using this feature, an email message that you have received can be sent to other users. Sent. This folder keeps a record of all the email messages that have been sent by you. Spam. The emails that have been sent to you and are unwanted are called spam mails. All the spam mails are stored in the spam folder and are removed from it after a certain period of time. Do you know email accounts allow the user to create different folders and organize emails according to their convenience? Chatting. When two or more people communicate with each other using text through computers, we call it chatting. We can send messages instantly using the chat feature. You can also chat with the people in your friends list using instant messengers like Yahoo Messenger and Google Talk. We can also communicate with people using Skype. Skype allows people to see each other. This type of chatting is known as video chatting. Different acronyms are used by people for expressing themselves. Some of the acronyms used by people are acronyms, full form, AFN, that's all for now, AYW, as you wish, CMB, call me back, SAT, sorry about that, MGB, may God bless you, LOL, laugh out loud. For expressing the emotions through text, people use emoticons. Some of the commonly used emoticons are given in the table below. Do you know Ray Tomlinson is the father of email? He invented software for transmitting messages between different computers in the year 1971. Class activity. Fill in the following blanks. Video conferencing, the feature of the Internet that allows people at different places to communicate by using audio and video transmission mode, is known as video conferencing. For sending audio and video data across different places, computer networks are used. Video conferencing is used for business meetings, educational trainings, healthcare conferences. For using this feature, every user should have microphones, speaker, a computer screen, and a web camera. The use of video conferencing has seen a dramatic increase because of the following reasons. Video conferencing is used for holding meetings for the companies having branches situated at different locations. The use of video conferencing in this case saves time and is also cost-effective. Video conferencing is being used by doctors and scientists in different countries for discussing medical problems, sharing experiments, and discussing relevant issues. Students also access training programs by using video conferencing. Video conferencing allows students to communicate with the instructors and attend lectures. I see you, I see you, see me, and Microsoft's Net Meeting are some software that allow people to use video chat rooms. Some additional Internet services. Blogs. Blogs are an acronym used for web blogs. Personal diary typed entries in reverse chronological order are present in the blogs, which are websites or part of websites. A blog can have text, audio files, video files, and also links to other pages. Blogs are based on topics like sports, cinema, and technology. People can also express their experiences and opinions by writing personal diaries and journals in blogs. When you update a blog, it is known as blogging, and the person who maintains a blog is called a blogger. Posting entries is another name given to the process of writing a blog. Visitors can also write comments and give their feedback on the blogs. Websites like www.blogger.com and www.blog.co.in are commonly used by the people for creating blogs free of cost. Web feeds. There are many websites on which the data is constantly changing. Such websites include news websites, medical websites, etc. Some people are interested in checking these websites frequently to see if any data has been changed. Internet provides an interesting feature that tells the user about the data or the new content on the website. This feature of the Internet is known as web feed or news feed. For subscribing to news feeds on any website, one needs to have software known as feed reader or an aggregator. There are two formats for web feed. These are RSS, Rich Site Summary, or Really Simple Syndication, and Atom. Social networking sites. An interesting feature of the Internet is that we can build online communities consisting of people with similar interests. This can be done by using the social networking sites. Social networking sites are now being used by people for playing games, chatting, and to stay connected with their friends and family across the globe. Using social websites, we can find our old friends and also connect to our favorite actors, sportspersons, and politicians. Some commonly used social networking sites are www.facebook.com, www.twitter.com, www.linkedin.com. Do you know Facebook was developed by Mark Zuckerberg, student of Harvard University. Facebook has now become the most used website over the Internet. Cyber safety. One must carefully upload content over the social websites because cyber crimes like cyberbullying and harassment have seen a recent rise over the years. While using the Internet, we must follow the precautions that are mentioned below. Personal information should be uploaded up to a limit. This is because Internet is used by a large number of people and thus is a public resource. While using social websites, we should be careful while accepting friend requests. Access social websites either by using bookmarks or typing the address of the website in the address bar of the browser. Try that you don't meet social network friends personally. They may not be genuine. Students have been addicted to the habit of using social websites, so a limited amount of time should be spent on the social websites. People sending you unwanted and inappropriate communications should be blocked or reported. E-commerce. People also use Internet for buying and selling products like shoes, clothes, accessories, mobile phones, etc. E-commerce means buying and selling through Internet. E-commerce includes many activities like online banking, buying and selling of shares and bonds, buying tickets online for movies, railways and airways. Shopping using e-commerce helps the user to compare different products and buy the best product that matches his requirement. Many companies also advertise their new products using the Internet. Some of the e-commerce websites are www.flipkart.com, www.amazon.com, www.mintra.com. E-governance. When the government of a country uses the Internet for exchanging information with its citizens, business organizations, and other government institutions, this is referred to as e-governance. Government uses many websites for providing services like birth certificate registration, death certificate registration, railway inquiry, submission of RTI inquiries online. These websites are used by the people for checking any information without any charges. The website for the Government of India is www.india.gov.in. Using this website, people can apply to the online services and also access information regarding different schemes and programs. Class activity. Fill in the following blanks. Summary. Internet is defined as a network of networks consisting of a large number of computers. For searching information over the Internet, we need special software that can search information that is stored across several web servers. Such software is known as a search engine. For searching the keywords and the address of web pages containing the keywords entered by the user, search engines use software called a web crawler or a spider. The inbox folder lets you check all the emails that you have received. The feature of the Internet that allows people at different places to communicate by using audio and video transmission mode is known as video conferencing.